Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Shorts. Going to be looking at the wheel arch. So basically we just need to release a couple more spot welds here off the companion bin, down there, which is the seat back, around here, which is this bracket, and then not that bit because that's been replaced. This section here to here needs removing or grinding away. We're going to take that bolt out there because that bolt's for the jig, and we've welded in that support bar to replace it. So yeah, we'll get cracking and doing some grinding and cutting, and come back to you. Cheers, bye. So I'm just thinking about how to get this arch out here, and I think obviously the back seat and the companion bin will be staying, so I think probably the best thing to do, because we'll never be able to get the spot weld around the arch and these panels, is I will drill completely through the spot welds, and then the spot welds down here on the companion bin there, drill those completely out, which will just leave nice holes in the panels that are staying, and then plug weld from the inside. And here we have some holes, so hopefully be able to release that. That's them on this side and from the inside. So now I'm going to get the hammer and chisel under here and under here, see if I can release those a bit. I still need to release this bracket, which is here somewhere as well, so we'll see how we go. Right, time to get the hammer out. Now it's not coming very easily off there, like peeling away, so I'm going to just cut round, and then we'll cut all up round here, try and leave this lip in place. So yeah, I'll cut back after I've done that. Hey guys, what's this? Shiny and black with a yellow sticker. It must be a heritage panel. First main heritage panel we'll be putting in. So yeah, not all patches. I have spent some money. Let's pull the old arch out and put the new one in. Here we go. No, just kidding really. We're not completely in yet, but here you can see the state of what we've taken out of this side with all its lovely patches. Also, so from up the inside of the companion bin here, this is a piece of arch that we've had to just drill and grind off of there. Managed to get this arch mostly in place here. I need to do some research because I'm not sure on two things on the fitment. I don't know exactly where this edge is supposed to be, whether that's supposed to be up inside the car at all, or if how it is there is pretty much how it should be. Also, on this side, on this end, I'm not sure when this closing panel goes in. Not that I'm putting it in yet, but got to line things up. So I don't know if that's supposed to go like that, which seems like a pretty good fit like that, with this on the outside of there, or whether it goes tucked on the inside like that. So I'm going to have to do some research, as I say. One great thing about having a jig is obviously we still had that big bolt hole there, so I've been able to use that to pull the wheel arch up into place. I'm not sure if you can see or if it's a bit dark, but just cranking on that has pulled the wheel arch up into its position. Maybe you can see that it's fitting round the seat not too bad. we've got a little gap here, but that will pull in really easily all the way along here. So that'll be for spot welding, pulling that in. And here, this, it's got a bit of a exaggerated angle on it, being the sort of non-heritage panel there. So, but it'll come out all right. So there you go. We half have that arch in. Not sure if you can see there. I haven't even looked in there yet. I can't actually see from where I am. Go around the other side of the car. You got to see before I've ever looked. You can see from this angle a little bit. Maybe if I duck under the car here, I can get a bit closer. Oh yeah, looking pretty good there. That bin will knock onto there nicely. We're mostly round with the back seat there. So we've got the old spot weld holes there to plug weld it back on. So that shouldn't be too bad.